Hi, my name is Ariel Mujakovic. Most of my friends, family, and patients know me as Jade. I'll answer to pretty much anything, but Jade is what I prefer to be called. I have 17 years of medical experience, starting as a certified nurse's assistant in the nursing home. I then went on to college and worked as a phlebotomist in the lab, drawing blood. After I completed my BSN and became a registered nurse, I worked in the emergency room and in the urgent care setting. I went on to school to become a nurse practitioner through Walden University. I worked again in the emergency room, urgent care facilities as a nurse practitioner. Most recently, I've been in family practice for the last 5 years, caring for patients across the lifespan, newborn throughout. I most enjoy pediatrics. Kids are fun. They say the funniest things. You can't really have a bad day when you go in and see a smiling kid, whether they're sick or they're here for a well child. I enjoy listening to their stories, hearing about their goals for the next year when I see them. I enjoy family medicine because not only do I get to treat across the lifespan, starting with newborns, but I also see multiple generations of families. So I see moms, grandmas, grandkids, everyone in the family. So I feel like that is great, one, for continuity of care, and I can always catch up with different family members and ask how the kiddos are doing, or the kiddos come with the parents and they become more familiar with me and more comfortable with me. I specifically enjoy pediatrics because I get to watch the children grow over time, change, and watch them turn into responsible young adults. When I'm not at work, I enjoy spending time with my children and husband. We enjoy going on vacations. We enjoy doing things with our kids, for our kids. So that usually means being a chauffeur and dropping them off at practices, coaching them, cheering them on, helping them learn to read and write during the summer so we can get ahead of the game for school. Aside from that, I grew up in cheerleading and gymnastics, so I do enjoy working out and being outside.